Today I'm going to be painting and decorating this squirrel squishy. This is how it started out. For the prep work, I cut off the seam lines. Next, I used a fine sandpaper to sand the squishy a little, just so that the paint will stick to it. Then I grabbed a random color of fabric paint and used it to sort of glue some parts that were tearing, like the neck and some of the tail. I decided that I wanted to make the tail more textured like a real squirrel tail, so I used the puffy fabric paint and a paintbrush with thick bristles to dab on paint to create the texture. Once I'd let that dry, I painted the squishy with a white base coat. After that, I mixed up a gray color for the fur. Next, I painted the acorn 2 shades of brown. On the tail, I dabbed on a lighter shade of gray. Then I dabbed on some brown shades and other grays to make the tail look fluffy. Next, I began on the face, starting with the eyes. I made 2 big white circles. After the whites of the eyes had dried, I painted the irises green. While the eyes dried, I painted the pink insides of the ears and a pink nose. Then I painted on eyelashes. After that, I painted the squirrel's stomach white. After that, I added some pink paint to the cheeks to make blush. To finish off the eyes, I painted the pupils. Lastly, I added white highlights in the eyes. Here's how the final squishy turned out. If you enjoyed this video and want to see another squishy decorating video, make sure to like and subscribe.